So just give me a moment. What I will do, I am going to share so many practical files with you people as a project, and you people can work on that part. Okay. Hope my screen is visible and my voice is clearly audible. My screen is visible and my voice is clearly audible. Please confirm. Please confirm. Okay, thank you. Okay. Hmm. Great, great. Okay, guys. So I request all of you to please open the Google Colab parallelly with me. Okay. Please open this Google Colab parallelly with me and interact with me, because this is an interactive session. Okay. And I will go step by step. I will go step by step. Okay. Don't worry. Now I am writing data types in that. Okay. The thing is that I am writing list data type in front of you. What is the list data type in the Python language? So always remember, we are dealing with n number of data every day. Okay, we are dealing with n number of data every day. And that data is number, image, video, audio, text, and other. We are dealing this data every day. And once we have the data, this data we have to store somewhere. Always remember, every day we people are generating this data. Always remember this, every day we people are generating this data. Where this data is stored. So what we people are doing, we are making the data types. Okay, the type of data which we are storing in that. So list is one of them. What the list is doing, we are storing the data in list data type in such a way that data is stored in the list in square bracket. I am writing this square bracket. Okay, I am writing this square bracket, and list data type is declared as collection of any kind of data, number, video, audio, text, anything, collection of any kind of data separated by a comma like this, and enclose or declare in a square bracket. Enclose and store in a square bracket. Okay. So the thing is, list is such a data type which is storing any kind of data separated by a comma, declare in a square bracket. Now let's take an example of one list. A assignment operator, square bracket. I am writing 1 as an integer number, 2.3 as a float number, string India, then complex number 3 plus 7j, then true. This all kind of data I am writing inside the list. So how this data is declared? This is all data, guys. This is all data. And all this data is declared separated by comma. Separated by comma, declare inside the square bracket, and assign to one variable called as A. Okay. When I will execute this, so list is declared. So this is the list, guys. Again, I am repeating. What is the list data type? List data type means it is a collection of data, different kind of data, integer, float, string, complex number, image, video, audio, text. Declare inside the square bracket and assign to the variable called as A. This is called as list. Now we will do so many operation on the list step by step. You people please tell me you understood list or not. What is list in a simple word? List is collection of different kind of data separated by comma, declare in a square bracket, and assign to some variable A. That is a list. And now you tell me how many data we have declared inside the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 like this. Okay, 5 data. Now the thing is, 5 data we have declared inside the list. Now if I want to access only one data, okay, for our understanding, I have written only 5 data. But remember that if suppose we are having 1 crore data, 1 crore. So data is very huge. Data is very huge. 1 crore data. Now we cannot go one by one for the 1 crore data. Okay. So the thing is, I want to access one data from the list. I want to access one data from the list. What to do then? Simple answer. I will use indexing method. Indexing. Now, suppose in the list, I want to access this true data. I want true as output. So always remember in the list behind the scene, this term is working. Always remember behind the scene, this term is working. Now I am writing a assignment operator, square bracket. Please concentrate carefully so that your understanding will be very good. One, 2.3, then India, 3 plus 7J, true. Okay. This is the 5 data inside the list. But when we declare this data inside the list, so behind the scene in the computer, how it look like? So in the computer, there is the 5 data. Out of this 5 data, the first data 1 is assigned the index number. Okay. So in the list, by default, it is there. So by default, index number, positive index number start from 0. For one index number, it will be 0. Always remember. Okay. For 2.3, index number will be 1. And for India, index number is 2. And for 3 plus 7J, index number is 3. And for true, index number is 4. Okay. So this is the index number. We are assigned to data in the Python. Behind the scene, automatically Python will take care of this. Behind the scene, automatically Python will take care of this. Okay. Now in this part, for negative indexing, start from last. It is -1. Always remember. Then for negative indexing, this 3 plus 7 is called as a -2. This is -3. This is -4. This is -5. Okay. So this is the index number in the list. There are two kinds of indexing in the list, positive and negative. So I have given the data to the list. In this list, there are the 5 data: integer, float, string, complex number, and Boolean. So the thing is, now I want to do access of the data. So for accessing the data in the list, there are two facilities: positive index, negative index. If suppose I want to access 2.3 in the list, I want 2.3 as output. So there are two possibilities, either with positive indexing or either with negative indexing. With the positive indexing, I am writing A. Okay, because that list name is A. Okay. It is given to the variable called as A. Then I will write down square bracket. And what is a positive index number of 2.3, guys? What is a positive index number of 2.3? 1 or 2. Positive index of 2.3 is 1. So if you will write down 1, A square bracket 1, you will get 2.3 as an answer. Check it. You will get 2.3 as an answer. Okay. Then if with the negative indexing, I want to access 2.3 with the negative indexing, I will write down A square bracket -4. It will give me answer in the negative indexing like this. Same answer, but with the positive indexing and the negative indexing. Is this clear? Up to this, it is clear. This operation is called as indexing. Indexing means what, guys? I am writing here. Whenever you are declaring a list, I am writing here, whenever we are declaring list with huge data set. Okay. In that case, when we have to access only one data at a time, only one data at a time, then we are using the method called indexing. Method called as indexing. Always remember, indexing is the method where we are accessing the data one at a time. Okay, one at a time. So in this part, Python is working for the indexing data, which is allowing to access only one data at a time. Now, can you give me the positive and negative answer for accessing true data at a time? What will be the answer of this? I want to access true. What will be my answer? No, you are writing only for I want exact syntax of that. What will be the answer? For the true. Very good. A of 4 and A of -1. Very good. So this will be your answer true. So if I want 4 as a true as an answer, so I will write A of 4 or A of -1. A of -1. A of -1. Okay. This is the indexing. Only access one element at a time. Now, some situation changes now in the company. Now in the company they want to access 1, 2.3 and India at a time, not one data. Now in the company, we have to access these 3 data at a time. In the company, we have to access these 3 data at a time, 1, 2.3 and India. Then what to do? Very easy. That process is called as sliding. Okay, that process will be called as slicing. Okay, so I am writing here A square bracket. Now tell me up to where we want to access the data. We want to access the data from 1 and we want to go up to India. Okay, we want to go up to India. So the answer will be, what is the index number of 1? 0. So I am writing 0. Then colon you want to write down colon. And then what is the index number of India is 2. India index number is 2. So you will write down 3, not 2 as the index number. Because if you will write down 3, 0:3. So according to Python language, it will execute 0 index number, 1 index number and 2 index number. 0, 1 and 2. 3 is exceptional. If I will write down 0:3, answer will be access the data of 0 index, 1 index and 2 index. When I will execute this, answer will be 1, 2.3 and India. Check it. 1, 2.3 and India. Now, the other part. If I want to access the data 2.3 India and 3 plus 7J. 2.3 India 3 plus 7J. So my answer will be A square bracket 2.3 India and what? What is that last one? 3 plus 7J. So 2.3 index number is 1. I am writing 1 as an answer. 1 colon. And 3 plus 7J index number is 3. So I will write down 4. So 1:4 means 1, 2, 3. Access 1 index number, 2 index number and 3 index number. Don't include 4 in that. 4 is the ending number. So 4th index is not included. It will go 1, 2, 3. So it will give answer 2.3 India and 3 plus 7J. Okay. This is that part. So this is a slicing operation. When you want to access more than one data at a time. Suppose I want to access all data. Now see, let's play around that. If I am writing a square bracket and I am writing only colon, I am not writing any number inside that. I am only writing colon. So list will automatically take 0 index number as a starting number, and it will go up to end index number automatically. And when we are writing like this, it will access whole list. It will access whole list. It will access whole list. Okay. Same thing if I am writing a square bracket 0 colon, but I am not writing ending number. I am not writing ending number. So the meaning is that it will automatically take the ending index number and it will take all element at a time. So it will give all element at a time. After that, if I am writing a square bracket, I am not writing the first index number, but I am writing last index number as a 5. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to access all index number. So after 4, the index number is 5. So I am writing 0 colon 5. So it will give entire data to me. Check it. This is entire data. Guys, my voice is clearly audible. Some students are writing the message in chat that my voice is not audible. Is my voice is audible, guys? Okay, my voice is audible to you people. Those your mic, please check it because my voice is audible. So this operation which we studied right now is called as slicing. Slicing. So we learn two operation now in front of you. Indexing. Indexing which access only one element at a time. Slicing which access more than one element at a time. Now last is called as stride. Last is called as a stride. Okay. So in the stride, what will happen? In a gap, I want to access the element in a gap now. Okay. I want A as an answer, then India as an answer, then true as an answer. So what is the index number of 1? 0. India index number is 2 and so on. So the thing is, I am writing here in front of you. A square bracket. I am writing, please start from 0 colon 5 index number. So it will go from 0 to 4. When I am writing 0 starting index number, 5 as an ending index number. And now one more colon in a gap of 2. When I am writing in a gap of 2, it will start from a 0 index number. Then it will take a gap of 2. First gap is 1, second gap is 2. So it will print the answer in this way, 1 India true. So this 2 indicate alternate number, difference of 2. So first index number is 0, start from 0. Ending index number is 5. So it will go up to 4 in a gap of 2. So first it will access 1. Then in the gap of 2 India, then in the gap of 2 true. So it will give the answer 1 India true. 1 India 2. So this 2 is called as a differencing. In the gap of this difference 2, you have to start from 0 and go up to 4. This is the meaning of that. This operation is called as stride, which I have written. Stride operation. We can access in the gap of something. We can access the data in gap of some constant. Here constant is 2. Constant is 2. Are you getting now? This is a list operation. In the list operation, we can access any kind of data. We can access any kind of data. Okay. Now, if I am declaring like this, concentrate carefully. I am declaring a assignment operator square bracket, and there is no element inside the A. There is no element inside the A, no data inside the A. If I am executing this, then it is called as empty list. we have declared the empty list. Always remember. This list is called as empty list. Again, if I am declaring A and I'm only declaring integer number inside that, like this. So this list is called as homogeneous list, homogeneous. This list is called as homogeneous list. Okay. This list is called as homogeneous list. Why homogeneous? Because only one kind of data is inside the list. Only one kind of data inside the list. Okay. This is called as homogeneous list. And what list it is called as integer homogeneous list, because only integer data inside that. Now, if I am writing a assignment operator, only floating number inside that. Only floating number inside that. And if I am running this list, so this is also homogeneous list. Why? Because all the data inside this list is a float number. All the data inside the list is a floating number. Always remember. So again, if I am going and I am declaring like this, concentrate carefully, very easy and important. I am writing a assignment operator and I'm only declaring in string data type inside that. String data like this. So this is also homogeneous list. What is the meaning of this homogeneous list? All the data inside this list of same type. That is string. That is string. Okay. After this, if I am declaring like this, a only complex number inside that, again it is a homogeneous list. Okay, again it is a homogeneous list. So meaning is that in the list we can declare homogeneous data and heterogeneous. Now it is heterogeneous, combination of all. 3, 4.5, G, 8 plus 9J. This is a heterogeneous list. Okay. So what is list? List is a collection of data. Different kind of data. Integer, float, complex number, boolean, which is separated by comma. Declare inside the square bracket, that is list. In the list, we can access any kind of data at a time with the help of indexing, slicing, and stride. This is that part. I hope up to this you understood the concept. Please let me know if any doubt. Please let me know if any doubt. Great. Now, in the list, there is one more operation called as mutation. Now let's check the meaning of mutation. What is the meaning of mutation? I am declaring one list in front of you, A, square bracket, 5, 6.7, India, 87, 90, 7.6. Like this, I am declaring the list. So I want to access 87 in the output. 87 in the output. So what is the index number of 87? Index number of 87 is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. So I will write down 3. I will get 87 as output. Very good. Now I am doing like this. I am writing A, index number 3. So the moment I am writing A, index number 3, so automatically what we have selected? 87. What we have selected? 87 we have selected. Now I am writing assignment operator. And now I don't want 87. Instead of 87, I want 54. I want 54. By selecting A square bracket 3, we have selected 87. And by writing like this, A assignment operator 3, and I am writing 54. What is the meaning of this operation? We are assigning 54 as a new data in place of A of 3. Who is at A of 3? 87. So we are replacing 54 by 87. Sorry, 87 by 54. So the moment I will run this, so index number 3 assigned a new value as 54. And now if I am running this A of 3 after running this, now answer will be 54. And if I will check the A also, for example, A and run this A, you will get 54 as an answer. Check it, 54. This operation inside the list is called as mutation. List is mutation. List is mutable data type. Up to this, any doubt, please ask me. This process which I have explained to you is called as mutable. Any doubt, please let me know. Very good. So list is very famous data type in the industry. And we are working on so many projects in the industry with list only. So the thing is, list, tuple, dictionary set is a very important data types and so on. Any doubt? I'm waiting for 10 seconds now, and then we will start for the next concept. Done. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Suppose I want to reverse this list. I want to reverse this list. So I am writing A dot reverse. And when I will run that, so list will be reversed. And after this, if I will check what is A, so I am getting reverse list. Check it. Check it, guys. Is this clear up to this? Then we will go slowly, slowly. Don't worry. This is the reversing the list. Okay. Suppose I am declaring all list of a number 1, 2, 3, 70, 87, 65, 45, 90, 56, 54. Like this, I declare the list of one number. And I want this list in the sorted order, sorted in all sorting order. So I am writing A dot sort. So it will sort the list in the sorting order like this. And then if I will run A, so it will give the list in sorting order. Is this clear? This is the list. Okay. So on the basis of this, we can perform so many operation in the list, so many operation in the list. Suppose I am writing, I want to remove some element from the list. For example, let's take an example. This is the list we have sorted now. And I want to remove 45 from the list. I am writing A dot remove. And I am writing directly element name called as 45. And after that, if I will check the list A, 45 will not be there in the list. 45 will not be there in the list. Check it. Are you getting? So different operation. Now, if I want to add one element in the list, now what is our A list? This is our A list 1, 2, 3, 54, 56, 65, 87, 90. Now I want to add one element inside the list that is called as 100. So I will write down like this. A dot append. I will write down 100. So this 100 will be added to the list at the end now. At the end. And I'm running like this. And if I will check A, this is the 100 now. We have added one more number in that. Okay. We have added one more number in that. Now let's check that. One more thing. Suppose I am declaring one more list called B assignment operator 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. List is declared. With the help of append method, what will happen? If I will write down B dot append 100. So this 100 is added at the end after 6. If I will check B now, so this 100 is added at the end. Okay. Now, if suppose I am adding the data inside the list, but every time it is added at the end, I don't want it should be added at the end. I want that it should be add after 3. After 3, who is present? 4. So tell me what is the index number of 4? What is index number of 4? 2. So if I want to add one data at index number 2, so I am writing like that. B dot insert 2, index number 2, comma, data is 200. So I am telling the insert method, hey, add the 200 data at the index number 2. And I am running this. After that, if I am running this, so 200 is added at the index number 2. Check it. 2 is added at the index number 2. So in the list, we can perform n number of operations. Is this clear? Yes? Okay, great. Now, as due to the short time, I can teach the list for 2 days also. But we are having the big syllabus. So I am giving you the direction of tuple now, tuple data type. So in the tuple data type, what is happening? It is similar to list only. Tuple is collecting the data in parenthesis. Instead of square bracket, tuple is collecting the data in parenthesis. Okay. Separated by comma. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.9. But inside the parenthesis. Parenthesis means this circular bracket. This is tuple. So tuple also access the element with index number only. Tell me the index number of 5. What is the index number of 5? 3. So we will write down B square bracket 3. We can access that. Check it. 5. Okay. Then same stride operation and slicing operation is also possible. Suppose I am writing B square bracket. I am writing 2:5. What will be the answer? Tell me. This is the test for you. What is the answer? 2:5. What is the answer? Two colon 5 means it will access the element from 2, 3 and 4. So 2 is 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5, 6 will be the answer. 4, 5, 6 will be the answer. Why? Because the index number of 2 is 4. It will start from 4. Then it will go to 5, then 6 and so on. Is this clear? Great. Now all the operation of list is performed in the, all the operation in tuple is performed in the list with only one difference. As list is mutable. Mutable means we can change the data of list. So I am declaring one more list in front of you. 2, 3, 34, 4.5, India. I have declared this list in front of you. Index number of 34 is 1. I am writing A square bracket 1. It is giving 34 as an answer. But I don't want 34 at one index number. I want 3 at index number 1. So I am writing A of 1. I am selecting that index number and I am writing 3. So in Python, it is allowed. Python is allowing to change index number 1 data by 3 now. Python is allowing in list, and then if I will check A, it will give 2, 3, 4.5 like answer. So this process where Python list is allowing data at some particular index number to change, that process is called as mutable. So in the list, mutable is allowed. Always remember, mutation is allowed in the list. Mutation is allowed. Now, if I will remove this square bracket and I will keep parenthesis, what it will become, tell me. Tell me what it will give the answer. What it will become now? If square bracket is replaced by parenthesis, what it will become? It will become tuple. So I am executing A now. So A is a tuple now, tuple. Okay, A is a tuple. After that, if I will check A of 1, in tuple also answer will be 34. But the moment I will write down like this, A of 1 equal to 3, that means in the tuple, we are assigning 3 as an answer to index number 1, that is 34. So in the tuple, it will throw error. So this process where in tuple, I am replacing one index number data by another data. So in the tuple, it is not allowed. In the tuple, it is not allowed. Okay. So hence it is called as tuple is immutable. This is the biggest difference in list and tuple. So list, I am writing in front of you now. Concentrate. List mutation is allowed. The meaning of mutation is it allow to change the data. Tuple is immutable. It does not allow to change the data. Always remember. Change the data. So this is the practical application of list and tuple. So can you give one scenario in the industry in real-time application? We are collecting the data every day. Which kind of data we can store in list? Which kind of data we can store in tuple? Tell me in real-time application. Tell me. Suppose I am collecting Aadhaar card. I am collecting Aadhaar card of individual of India. So Aadhaar card can be stored in tuple or list, both. But which is the best one to store the Aadhaar card? Aadhaar card number. Why tuple? Because current, yes, absolutely. Once the Aadhaar card is given to tuple, so it will not change the Aadhaar card. Okay, it will not allow to change. Very good. Then what is list? Which kind of data we can store in the list? Give me the answer. Which kind of data? Great. Any other example? Tell me. Great. Very good, guys. Very good. Now you have done you have given the good response. Now I am going for the fun loving project. Do you want project now? Just give me a moment. I am stop sharing my screen. I am giving you project. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. I am giving you the project. I am having one folder where I have stored all the project. Just give me a moment. Just a moment, guys. Just give me one more minute. So we are going to use the list wherever we can change the data. Okay, always remember. We can use the list wherever we can change the data. In all those applications, we people are using the list, guys. Always remember. Okay. And we are using the tuple where we cannot change the data. We cannot change the data. So I want to show you something that with the help of list and tuple, we can do so many projects. I am having so many projects, guys. So many. Let me share the screen and I can show you that as well. I will share all the project with you. Okay. So that one or two project I can show you, but you can do all the project. Check it. Yesterday I taught you QR code generation. So these are the list of project. Okay. I am having list of project. So this is that list of project. So slowly, I am giving you that. Okay. Slowly, I am giving you that. So now one project I am showing you. Just a second. I will share entire project with you. Don't worry. It is for you people only. I am opening that project. For example, image slicer. Let's check that. Okay. Let's check that what is the meaning of this project and so on. So the thing is, now yesterday we have learned the input function. If you people remember input function, yes or no? Okay. Yesterday we have learned the input function. So if I am running this, so it is asking me enter your email. Okay. The moment I am running this, it is asking enter your email. So now I am entering my email ady.29arpit@gmail.com. Check it. The moment I am writing this, it has taken. Now I want that email slicer means after @gmail.com, our data should separate. Only I want id.29arpit as output and @gmail other output. So I am writing like this. Please strip this email after this @. This is my threshold. The moment I am writing like this, okay, so it indicates that my data is formatted in this way now. id.29arpit and gmail.com is that. So this is a 4 line of code where we are doing such kind of project and which is a very small project. Again, I am repeating with the help of input function, I enter the email ID with the function called strip. Then our entire strip is given here. Now let's check that what is email now. If I will check what is email, after that, let's check that this is the email. Okay, this is the email. Now in this email, I want that please separate the string before id dot before at the rate and after at the rate. So that I am writing here, and it is given to username. So let's check it. What is username? This is id.rpc. So after at the rate, Gmail is separated, id.29 is separated. Okay. And then we have written that part. So this is called as an email slicer project. Email slicer. Very easy. Very easy project. Okay. So what I will do every day, I am going to give you the bunch of project, funny project, 4 to 5 line of project, so that you can enjoy. Every day we will solve the project. Don't take tension. So this is another project list. Python password generator. Let's generate the password with the help of Python. Let's check that. Very easy. Now what I am doing, I am importing one random package from the Python, which is helping it to generate unique password. Unique password. Every time, unique password it will generate. I am importing that random package. It will generate the data randomly, but all are unique. All are unique. Okay. Once it is done, then after that, with the help of input function, I am asking, please enter the password. Please enter the password and give to the variable called as pass name. So I am running that. It is asking, please enter the password. Okay, password length. I want password length should be 8 character, 8. I want the password length should be of 8 character. I am pressing enter. Okay. And now I am executing this instruction S, which is any kind of password among these. See, what is this ABCD? It is small a to Z. It is written, check it. Small a to Z, 0 to 9. Check it in this data. What is there? 0 to 9. Then capital A to capital Z and special character. So what is the meaning of this? We have to generate the password by using any one of these of 8 character, and that too unique, with the package called as random. So I am telling the Python, please generate the password by using any one of these with the 8 character. Every time 8 character you are choosing is a unique and giving to the variable S. And now with the help of this function, with the help of random function, we are asking the random package, hey, take the random sample from this S of 8 character by using any one of these. So S is our data, small a to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to that. Pass length is 8. And it is generating random sample and giving to the variable P, and it is printing P. So every time I will run P, I am getting 8 character password or a different password. Again, I am running this different password. Check it. Again, I am running this different password. Check it. This is called as a simple 3-liner project for password generation. It is easy. Tell me any doubt here. Shall I share this code in the chat window? Run this. I am writing this. Please run in your Google Colab. You can do in mobile also, okay? I am declaring the project in the list. Okay, this is the second code of password generator. Or take a photo of this. If you cannot copy from the chat window, take the photo of this. Please take the photo of this, because I am sending the code in the chat window, or I am sharing with you Blackbook also, so that you can do this project. Check it, guys. I have pasted the same project in the chat window. Take a photo and please execute in your chat window. I am taking 1 minute of break. Tell me, it is running or not. Please run this project and tell me. It is executing in your computer. Please tell me it is executing. Great. Very good. So you can imagine that Python is a very easy language. We can perform thousands of projects in the Python language. Very good, guys. Very good. So every day we will do so many projects because internship means project. Internship means project. This sample means what? From the random package, please take a sample of 8 character data. 8 character, that 8 character may be randomly chosen. That 8 character may be randomly chosen from S. Password length is 8. So from complete S, please take 8 character randomly and give it to this P and print that P. That is the meaning of this. So every time you will run this instruction, every time it will give the new password to you. So join method is that suppose you had chosen P first character randomly, then second character is Z, then third character is 3. So it will join all the character. That is the meaning of join. That is the meaning of join. Is this clear to everyone? Great. Any doubt, please tell me. So list tuple, very easy data type, guys. Very easy. Okay. We can do n number of project in this. No worry. Any doubt, let me know. Difference between tuple and list is that, okay, I will explain. Someone is asking, explain the meaning of strip. Very easy. Check it. The meaning of strip is like this. Concentrate. I am writing A assignment operator. Hello USA. Okay. After that, I am executing this. Hello USA, I have executed that. Now I am writing A dot strip. So it will separate hello and USA. Okay. It will separate hello USA with the help of strip function. Always remember. We have to put here comma, for example. It will separate the hello USA in this way. Whenever we are separating the data by comma, it will separate both part. Always remember. This is stripped. So this is the fun-loving project today. The moment we will learn more topic, the advancement of project will increase. This is a very small project, but the moment we will go more detail, we will do fun-loving project. Don't worry about that. So that's all from my side today. Any doubt, please let me know, or else we can meet on Tuesday. You can register your email ID. You can ask to Blackbuck. Okay, that information I am not having. You can ask to Akila, I guess. You can ask to Akila. Okay, I don't know about that, your attendance system. I'm just invited as a guest here and I'm explaining to you people. And I hope that you people are enjoying my session. Please tell me, are you enjoying or not? Because it should be in between us, because it is very necessary. If you are enjoying, I can continue with the same speed and so on. Any kind of doubt, please let me know. Great, great guys. Very good.